In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an order confirmation email with Klaviyo. We'll start right from the Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're logged in, you should see your main overview page with all your metrics and navigation options. From here, look towards the left-hand side and click on Flows. Flows are Klaviyo's way of automating messages based on what your customers do, and an order confirmation is one of the most important ones to have set up. On the Flows page, find the button that says Create Flow and click it. This is where you will choose the type of automation you want to build. In the search bar that appears, type Order Confirmed. Klaviyo provides a pre-built flow for this event, which saves you a lot of time. When you see the Order Confirmed option in the results, click on it. This tells Klaviyo that you want to build a flow that's triggered whenever an order is successfully placed on your store. Next, click into the name field at the top of the setup screen and give your flow a clear, descriptive name, like Order Confirmation Email Flow. A good name makes it easier to find and manage later, especially if you create more flows over time. Now, click Use Template. Klaviyo will load a recommended structure for this flow. By default, this may include an SMS action as well as an email. For this tutorial, we're focusing only on email, so go ahead and delete the SMS action from the flow diagram. With SMS removed, click the plus icon where you want your message to go and choose email as the action. This adds your order confirmation email to the flow. Click into that email step and set it up. Give the email a name for internal reference, set the status to live so it can send once the flow is turned on, and then add your subject line and preview text. Keep the subject clear, such as your order is confirmed, so customers immediately recognize it. Next, click on Select Template. If you don't already have an order confirmation template, choose the option to create a new one. Design it with key details like order summary, shipping information, and contact details. Then save it and select that new template for this email step. When everything looks good, click on Review, go through the summary to make sure the trigger and email settings are correct, and then turn the flow on when you're ready. Finally, click Save to confirm all your changes. Your automated order confirmation email in Klaviyo is now set up and ready to go.